Gautam Kumar. Today I am share some job update with you. Before that, please subscribe this channel, share this video with your friend and like this video. And if you need a job update, please join my Telegram group. This is a group link. This link I will provide you in a description box. Please join this. Let's start our first job. First job from data analyst. This is Kalyan, Maharashtra location and salary is 1.8L to 2L per year and job type is full-time opportunity. Our next job is business analyst. This is for Ahmedabad, Gujarat location and also remote location and salary is 20K to 40K per month and this is also full-time opportunity and remote also and this is certificate need and all and this is all about that. Our next job is technical business analyst. This is for Uttar Pradesh Noida location and salary is 17K to 20K per month and this is for fresher opportunity and this is all about job description and all and how to apply this job. You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst, data visualization, and the skill required Atrax, Python, SQL, and R. And this is for Gurugram, Haryana location. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst. This is for Mumbai, Maharashtra location, and salary is 20K per month. And this is full-time opportunity and this is all about job description and job type and how to apply this job. You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is senior data analyst. This is for Kolkata, West Bengal location. This is full-time opportunity, morning shift and this is benefit and all about and this is job description and how to apply this job. You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is for e-commerce data analyst. This is for Bengaluru, Karnataka location and salary is 80K to 1.38L per month and this is full-time opportunity and flexible shift and this is job description you can see here and how to apply this job. You simply click here and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst. This is also for Bengaluru, Karnataka location and salary is 2L to 6L per year LPA per year and this is the job description and how to apply this job. You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is remote sensing analyst. This is for Noida, Uttar Pradesh location and salary is 20K to 30K per month and this is day shift job and how to apply this job. You have simply click apply now and you fill the detail and this is all about the job description and all and qualification is MSc, MTech and Geo Information Remote Sensing. And our next job is data analyst for again West Bengal, Kolkata location. This is a full-time opportunity, morning shift and salary is not mentioned in this job and how to apply this job. You will simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is senior SOC analyst. This is Ahmedabad, Gujarat location, and this is full-time opportunity. And department is engineering, and location is Ahmedabad. And this is your job description, and this is your responsibility. All about that. And this is a requirement. You have know this skill and how to apply this job. You have click here apply on company site and you fill the details. Our next job is business analyst intern. This is internship. This is for Gandhinagar, Gujarat location and salary is 3.5K to 7K per month. This is full-time internship opportunity and shift is day shift and qualification here you can see that research and identify and all. This is eligibility criteria bachelor degree in mathematics, computer science, engineering in final year, who can apply this job and after and how to apply this job. You have simply click apply now and fill the detail. Thanks for watching this video.